In this untouched wilderness, the deep blue ocean meets the lush tropical slope. Alpha Team, the wolves are heading for the coastal scrub. Maintain altitude and keep scanning the northern sector.
Target acquired, group of 5 moving southeast, deploying net now.
Net away, impact in 3, 2, 1.
Good catch.
Get the Alpha on the left. Throwing net 3 now.
Get the Alpha on the left. Throw the net now.
Copy that, net deployed. Good catch. Wash stabilizing. Go, go, go!
Secure the straps on the Grey Wolf. Move it to platform 3.
Watch your footing, ladies.
Keep the pace steady, ladies. We're bringing the Alpha in now. Clear the gate.
We have the Grey Wolf shipment ready for processing, initiating sequence 7.
Confirmed. Moving to station 4.
We have the Grey Wolf shipment ready for processing, initiating sequence 7.
Confirmed. Moving to station 4.
We have the Grey Wolf shipment ready for processing, initiating sequence 7.
Confirmed. Moving to station 4.
Check the rhythm strip again, please. Sinus rhythm, 72 BPM. Everything is optimal.
The sagittal view on the MRI shows no anomalies.
Good, let's proceed with the contrast.
The probe is aligned. We have a clear image of the renal artery.
Noted. The data looks consistent with the baseline.
The probe is aligned. We have a clear image of the renal artery.
Noted. The data looks consistent with the baseline.
Right, let's get these beauties settled.
Watch the far side, nearly there.
Locking down the chamber now.
All units secure. Clear the threshold. Locking sequence engaged. Seal confirmed.
All wolves accounted for inside.
Locking mechanism engaged. The bay is secure.
Pressure looks good on line 3.
Increasing the flow rate now. We should hit target output within the hour.
Intake flow is stable at 200 kilos per hour.
Good. Maintaining optimal consistency on line 3.
Slight fluctuation on the vis.
Pressure holding steady at 40 psi. Acknowledged. Feed rate remains optimal.
Here at the technology.Watch Beauty Soap Factory, our advanced moulding chambers ensure every bar is perfectly formed with unparalleled precision. Monitor the sealing pressure on Unit 4.
Reading steady, all parameters green.
I love the smooth fragrance and soft foam of this soap. It leaves my skin feeling so refreshed and glowing. I love how soft and refreshing this feels on my skin. technology.Watch really gives you that post-shower glow.